So the way we do Janiflow is you'll have an email and a password. You will log in and you will have some sites that you can click. I've just got one site, sample site A. When you arrive at your cleaning, you log into the app and you choose the site you're at, and then you're going to do a start job. That will now record the date and the time that you arrived. Then you'll close the app, you'll do your cleaning, and then when you completed the cleaning, you're going to open the app back up, and then you're going to start the checklist. You'll read through what it says, and you'll get used to it. It'll only take you a minute or two to do this. But have I checked the big three in the communication book? Yes. And then I'm going to continue on. Go next. Floors to be kept very clean. Has that been done? Yes. And then down here it says there's a capture image. This one needs a photo. So we're going to take a photo of the floor. We're going to go yes. Is that okay? Yes. Move on. Take a photo of the communication book. We're going to pretend there's a communication book just there. We're going to take the image of it. It wants a photo. We're going to take it. Okay. Next. And then once you've done all of the questions and the checklist, it gives you an ended time and date. Now it's really, really important that you complete this step. It says send checklist. We're going to hit that, and it should open up to your email account. Choose which one you want. Now, as you can see in this one, I've got 2 emails I'm just going to go to, and it's got a PDF attached to it. You just hit send, and then you're done. And then you can go back, and then you can end your job. Wish to end? Yes. And that's completely it. Thank you.